IT Expo Miami 2009.
Hi, I'm Eric Lanass coming to you live from the IT Expo East in Miami exhibit hall floor. And I'm here now with Craig McCue, who is Vice President of Channel Sales at Orecx. Welcome, Craig.
Thanks, Eric. Nice to meet you.
Why don't we start off, tell me a little bit about who is Orecx.
Orecx is an open source call recording company. Our product is focused towards call center companies, companies that have a call center grade requirement for their call recording solution. And quite simply, our position in the market is we offer our product out at a great price. So it's a pretty simple value proposition for companies that have a serious call recording requirement.
Sure. What there seems to be a growing demand for call recording.
Yeah, that's what we're finding out in the market. Not just companies that have traditional call centers, but actually enterprises are out there, and they're finding that they have a need to record calls for any number of purposes. Companies typically record calls for compliance reasons, performance reasons, and risk reasons, and those requirements are really overarching outside the call center and really do include the entire enterprise. So we've definitely seen an increase in interest outside of the traditional call center space. Good.
Now, one of the things that if you take a walk around the exhibit hall floor, you see an awful lot of open source solutions. Mm-hmm. Why'd you go the open source way?
We felt it was a way to get our product out there, out ahead of the curve from the other call recording platforms that are out there. And quite honestly, we wanted to make the product out there and available, basic call recording out there and available to all the enterprises. We have two solutions, a GPL solution that simply records calls and allows you to play them back, and then we have a commercial version. Mm-hmm. That's our flagship product. It's call center grade, does live monitoring, has screen capture, quality monitoring, and what we found recently and what we're really excited about is we've actually had 3 or 4 of the biggest call center companies, outsourcers in the world, test our solution over the last several months, and we've actually just recently brought on 2 of them as customers. So we're really excited about the direction of our product and the direction of our company, and we're excited about just the direction of the call center or call recording market in general.
Sure. The other thing that I'm seeing is some significant crossover between call center solutions and enterprise solutions, mm-hmm. And obviously the call recording fits right into that bag. Is there any challenge bringing a call center or what's traditionally been a call center type solution and explaining to enterprises why they need it, or are they actually coming to you looking for it?
Well, I would say traditionally there probably has been, but one of the great things about our product being based in open source is that our product invites that type of interchange. So if outside departments come to us with any type of recording requirement, we're able to open up discussions with them and try and figure out points of integration to work with them to fill that requirement.
So, where looking into the future a little bit, where else can you go with the call recording solution?
Well, today, we've just announced that we have actually a VoIP recording appliance, and what that allows people to do is really just say, hey, we just want a recording box, and we want it fully configured, and we want it delivered to our site. Can you do that? And the answer up until now has been, hey, we want you to go get a server and buy some licenses, and that would be the solution. But now we've got our Orecx VoIP recording appliance, and we're able to say, how many extensions do you want to record, and we'll build the appliance to suit, and we can deliver it to the customer and fully configured, and they're up and running, minutes after they've received the product.
So even with all the focus on software-based solutions, some people still want that.
Well, there's still a market out there, and we've had enough customer requirements saying, hey, they've deployed the software-based solution in a couple of different areas, but they've come to us and say, hey, we've got this other area. It's not really tied in with some of our other call centers. Instead of buying a server and trying to tie it in, can we just deploy this box? Do you have a box? And the answer up until a few days ago was no, but now we're excited to say, yeah, we can, we can do that. So that's really that's one of the directions of our companies that we're heading in. So
fantastic. Well, I certainly look forward to hearing what else is going on as it comes around. We've been talking here at IT Expo with Craig McCue from Orecx. Craig, thank you very much for joining us.
Thanks, Eric.